First air vaulting by the Drive-By Truckers is going to be played a full step down. If you don't know what that means, we have to detune our guitar. Your 6th string goes to a D. Your 5 string goes to a G. Your 4 string goes to a C. Your 3 string goes to an F. Your 2 string goes to an A. And your 1 string goes to a D. If you don't want to detune your guitar, you can play all these shapes that I'm showing you, but your pitch will just basically be 2 frets higher than where Cooley is playing this on guitar. So the chords you need to know are going to be an F major, a C major, and an A minor, to a D minor, to an A minor, to an F major. That's going to be the verse, and I'll show you the picking pattern in just a second. The chorus will be an F to a D minor, to a G, to a C, walking down to an A minor, and then repeats F, D minor, G, C, walk down to the A minor, and then back into the verse. Alright, so the way that we're going to play this, the F chord, I've got my thumb grabbing the 6th string 1 fret. If you want to just leave off the 6th string altogether, you can. You would just need to be strumming from the 5 string down, where on the 5 string you'd have your ring finger on the 5 string 3 fret, your pinky finger on the 4 string 3 fret, your 2nd finger will be hammering on to the 3 string 2 fret. Your 1st finger will be on the 2 string 1 fret, and you'll have an open 1 string. So, the opening run is to strum from the 6th string or the 5 string down, whichever configuration you're using with your F chord here. But strum from the lowest string down, and whenever you get to about the 2nd string with your pick, you need to hammer on with your 2nd finger to the 3 string 2 fret. So you're starting with your 2nd finger up, and then hammering on with your 2nd finger to the 3 string 2 fret. And then after you hammer on, you'll hammer on and then kind of hit down and then pick up on the open 1. And then you need to come back to the open 3 string. So lift your 2nd finger back up, and we've got. And then after that, you're going to go into a C chord. So your ring finger stays where it is. You need to lift up your pinky finger. You'll strum, your 1st finger also stays where it is. You'll strum across the 5 string, the open 4 string, the open 3 string, and the fretted 2 string. And after that strum, you immediately hammer on with your 2nd finger to the 4 string 2 fret, similar to what we did in the F chord. So we've got. And then after that hammer on, we kind of hear a little pull off from the 4 string 2 fret to the 4 string open, and then pluck of the 5 string 3 fret, the C note. So it's like. So I'm hitting down, and then like hitting the 2 string, and then coming back to the 4 string, hit, pull off, and then the 5 string. So we've got from the F chord, and then we go into the A minor. The A minor will be an open 5 string, 2nd finger on the 4 string 2 fret, ring finger on the 3 string 2 fret, 1st finger on the 2 string 1 fret, open 1 string. And after this A minor, you hear a happen. So that would be the 5 string open, hit down, 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 up, and then open 6 string, grab the 6th string with your pinky finger on the 3rd fret, kind of pull that a little bit with your pinky finger, and then hit the open 5 string again. And then it repeats, or actually no, it doesn't repeat. It then goes to the D minor. So where we are so far is the F chord, to the C chord, to the A minor, to now a D minor. For the D minor, your second finger needs to be on the 3-string 2 fret, your ring finger needs to be on the 2-string 3 fret, and you'll begin it with the 1 string open. So you're going to strum from the open 5 across the 2, from the open 4 across the 3 and 2 string, down, 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 and then up on the open 1 string, and then put your first finger down on the 1 string 1 fret, and then open up the 1 string again. So you've got. Then we're going to go back to our A minor chord. We'll go down, down, and then pick up on the 2-string 1 fret, and then lift your ring finger off of the 3 string so that it's open, and we're hitting the 3 string. So this A minor is down, down, 2, 3, but the 3 string now is open. So we've got. And then we fall into the F chord again, where we hammer on with our second finger to the 3-string 2 fret. And it's kind of just some cross picking happening there, from like 2-string to 3-string to open 1. And then it repeats. In the strumming feel, you really want as much as possible for the strumming feel to just be a plodding down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. It's kind of difficult to get that rhythm running, and then also being able to articulate. But that's definitely something to practice. So that's all of the verse. Whenever we get to the chorus will be the F chord again, and you're hammering on in that F chord with your second finger to the 3-string 2 fret, and hitting like an open 1 string to a D minor. In the D minor, I believe it starts with your first finger down on the 1-string 2 fret, and you can hear that pull off to a 1-string open in the D minor, pulling off the first finger off of the 1-string 1 fret to 1-string open, and just kind of fall down that D minor, with like 2-string, 3-string, 4-string, or 2-string, 4-string, 3-string if you want to kind of go back and forth. And then it goes to a G chord. That would be ring finger on the 6-string 3 fret, pinky finger on the pulled back to the 1-string 3 fret, and your second finger on the 5-string 2 fret. And then we'll go C chord. So the C chord here, I've got my ring finger on the 6-string 3 fret, pinky finger on the 5-string 3 fret, second finger on the 4-string 2 fret, open 3-string, first finger on the 2-string 1 fret, and we'll be going like 2-beat bass feel here of down, down, up, down, down, up. The first down on the 5-string, down, down, up. The second on the 6-string, down, down, up, down, down, up. So 5, 6. And then we'll walk down with our second finger moving to the 5-string 2 fret. I'll leave my ring finger just where it is in G formation, and my first finger, I'll leave it on the 2-string on the first fret as well. And here we're going down, down, up, down, down, up, again alternating 5-string, 6-string. So we've got C to the B chord, or walk down B note, passing B note, then A minor. So in the A minor, you'll do the same, that feel. The 5-string open 6-string, 6-string 3 fret with your pinky, back to 5-string open, and then there's another round of the chorus. G to the C, to the B, to the A minor. goes back into the verse lick. So I'll be honest, the way that Cooley's playing this, I feel like he's being a lot more articulate with how he's cross-picking these strings and is hitting some beats and some empty spaces that I'm probably not hitting correctly. But that's definitely the high notes of what is going on in this riff. It's basically a riff within chords that he's playing. And I think that's pretty close to what's going on whenever he's playing. So those are the chords and the movements to First Air of Autumn by the Drive-By Truckers. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.